my God, Grandfather, why are you putting this photo of a Super R inside this small box? And Grandfather, you even pressed its button. Oh my God, what is happening? This small box has started moving on its own. Has this box gone mad? Please, Grandfather, stop this box quickly, or else it will spoil all my driving papers and I will get a severe beating in school.
Daughter, this is not a box, but a cute little snake robot. And daughter, this cute little robot is not spoiling your driving papers. Rather, it is making you drive a good burger.
Please, friends, like and subscribe the video for my grandfather and write your lovely name in the comments.